Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chili con queso. Gather cheese, chilies, onion, garlic, tomato, and stock. Start by sautéing onion and garlic until soft. Add chopped chilies and cook briefly to release flavor. Stir in tomato and simmer a few minutes. Reduce heat and melt cheeses slowly while whisking to create a silky sauce. Season with salt and a splash of lime for brightness. Collect all ingredients before you begin and measure cheeses by cups for consistent results. Roast or choose canned chilies based on desired spice and convenience. Keep a small cup of stock nearby to thin the queso if it becomes too thick. Grate cheeses freshly for smooth melting. Chop onion and garlic finely for even cooking. Having everything prepped makes the melting step quick and stress-free. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It truly helps us keep making content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on entertaining and not crumbs on the floor. It's a solid tool for busy cooks who want more free time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by sautéing onion and garlic over medium heat until translucent, not brown. Add tomatoes and chilies, then simmer briefly to marry flavors and reduce excess liquid. Lower heat, then add grated cheeses in batches, stirring constantly to create a smooth sauce. If sauce tightens, whisk in reserved stock 1 tablespoon at a time. Finish with salt and a splash of lime, and serve warm with chips or veggies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.